We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Revit architecture software.
This figure shows an example for dormer design. A dormer is a roofed structure, often containing a window that projects vertically beyond the plane of a sloped roof. In this video, we learn how to design these types of dormers in Revit. Let us move to the video. Here I am opening a project. We are going to draw dormer on this roof. For drawing dormer sketch, we should open lower level of a floor plan. This is the roof plan. This is the wall plan. First, we must draw the wall part of the dormer. For that, go to Architecture tab. Click on Wall Tool icon on the Build panel. And draw the walls. Using drawing tools. How to learn how to draw an architecture wall is already discussed in our other tutorial videos. Next, we are opening an elevation view for drawing dormer roof part. Go to Architecture tab. Click on Roof icon on Build panel. And select Roof by Extrusion from the Roof drop-down menu. Draw the roof sketch by Draw toolbar. Click on Finish button. Now you can see the dormer roof part that we have drawn. Then select the 3 walls newly drawn. Next step is to attach the top and base of these selected walls onto dormer roof part and main roof by using Attach Top or Base tool. First, we are selecting the dormer roof for trimming the wall top. Then, select the main roof to trim the bottom portion of the wall. Next, we will go to trim the dormer roof length as per our requirement. For that, we have to go to Modify tab and select Join or Unjoin Roof. Select an edge at the end of the dormer roof that you wish to join. Next, select the face on the main roof to get joined. Next, place a window for our dormer using Window tool in Architecture tab. How to place a window is already discussed in our previous video. Now you can see that the bottom face of the dormer is closed. Now you can see that the bottom face of dormer for a ventilation purpose is closed now. Next we are going to cut the bottom face. Go to Architecture toolbar. Click on dormer opening icon on opening panel for cut the bottom face. Select the main roof to be cut by dormer opening. Click on Finish tool. You can see the opening on the roof. Thanks for watching this video.